Hello and welcome to the complete Python programming course. This course is designed in easy to learn way and fun fashion. Python is one of the top most used programming language over the globe and recent years skills demands for Python has exploded in the job market. YouTube, Dropbox, Yahoo, Mozilla, Quora, Instagram, Reddit, NASA are only a very few names who use Python. So from this you can easily think about the opportunities of Python. So who is the course for? The course is designed for absolute beginner, the programmers coming from another language. And if you are already a Python developer and want to step up your skills, then this course fits you. In this course, you get lifetime access over 100 plus lectures, articles, and quizzes, which helps you to grab the concept from the very basic to the advanced level practically step by step. After completing the course, you get a solid understanding about the subject that you can easily put the Python programming language on your resume. Check out the free course preview available on the course. The course comes under 30 days money back guarantee, so anyhow, if you're not satisfied with the course, you can ask for a full refund, no questions asked. So, what you are waiting for? Enroll in the course and learn the power of Python programming.